Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat Pay activated, and sometime you might complete your WeChat Pay wallet verification. You might successfully activate your WeChat Pay, but that does not guarantee you that you can still receive fund in the account. Sometimes when you want to receive a fund, you always get a message, and I'm going to explain in detail about this and how you can actually fix the problem right here in this video, and how you can start receiving payment and send payment with your WeChat wallet, whether you are in China or you are outside China, provided that you have a legit source of getting RMB into that WeChat account. I will show you on how you can fix the problem of you can receive payment and then you can send out payment on your WeChat wallet after you have successfully activate and verify your WeChat Pay by WeChat team. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or IDP, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your WeChat wallet. So with that being said, let's start. So welcome back to the video. Right here, someone contacted me as far as WeChat wallet cannot receive fund is concerned after they have activated their WeChat Pay account. And I'm going to put the screen record right here so you can watch and pay proper attention. So right here, good morning, sir. Please, sir, can you help me? I'm having issue on my WeChat. If my friend wanted to fund my account, this is what it will be written right here. So this transaction may contain fraud risk. Please verify the other user's identity to ensure the security of your fund. To remove restriction, tap remove restriction. So this is commonly for every new WeChat account that have not received fund. Okay, let's say for instance you just activate and complete the verification process of your WeChat, and then someone wants to send you money. Sometimes you get something like this because the account is very new, and at the same time this is a kind of security by WeChat themselves. They want to be sure that you that want to send the money, you have full knowledge of the person that you are sending the money to. So it will not be a case of you send money into the wrong account, because WeChat will always hold you responsible based on this particular message you can see right here. So now, if you have issues like this, there is no need to be panic. Okay, what the person needs to do is to simply click on remove restriction. Once they click on remove restriction, then they have to go ahead and make payment, because they have, once they remove restriction, they are given WeChat authorization that once they complete this payment, they should send the payment to the recipient, because you are fully knowledge of the person that you are sending the money to. It's that simple. So once they click on remove restriction, they will need to verify the identity of the person, maybe by name or by their payment password. Once they verify, the fund will be sent to that particular person. So it's as simple as that. So this is actually what you need to do. If you always get this type of message on your WeChat wallet each time somebody wants to fund your account, so there is no need to be panic. Just tell the person that they should click on remove restriction. Once they click on remove restriction, they will have to identify you by your name or by your WeChat ID. And with that, the payment will be completed and will be sent to your WeChat wallet account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat and WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.